Oh my god.
You like the wick?
I did everything. Oh my, don't tell me that's on my life. Still burning.
Yeah, you suck.
No.
I did it good. It like engulfed like this much. It's still going.
I know you lit the wick because...
Come on. Look at it, it's still going.
Shit. I think that's a plastic lit on fire.
No, it will go out.
Are you sure you put the right ingredients in there?
We should have put some like alcohol in it.
Yeah, put it in.
Boom. You want some? What the hell is it?
Ice cream!
Ice cream! Oh, look at, we got it. It's... Oh, damn! You get that?
I don't know.